Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes at home with Pancake Mix Easy Guide. Mix 1 cup pancake mix with 3/4 cup milk and 1 egg, stir until just combined. Let the batter rest 5 minutes. Preheat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly oil it. Spoon batter for 3 5-inch pancakes. Cook until bubbles form, flip once, and serve warm with butter and syrup. Preheat your griddle or skillet on medium and test with a few drops of water. They should dance and evaporate. Use a 3 5-inch scoop or 2 tablespoons per pancake to ensure uniform size and cooking time. Avoid pressing pancakes with a spatula to keep them fluffy and tall. Cook each side about 5 to 2 minutes depending on heat, and stack on a warm plate to keep them soft. Quick pause: if you are enjoying these pancake tips, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel and keeps ideas coming. Quick recommendation: I like the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading cookbooks and recipes while you cook. It fits on a counter or lap easily. Check the video description for the Kindle link and extra deals I mentioned so you can grab one. Now let's get back to the video. Customize your pancakes easily by folding in blueberries, banana slices, or chocolate chips right before cooking. For a warm, cozy flavor, add a teaspoon of vanilla or a pinch of cinnamon into the batter and mix lightly. For a lighter option, serve with Greek yogurt and fresh fruit, or go classic with butter and maple syrup. Experiment with savory additions like herbs and cheese for a brunch twist that guests will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.